Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to enter GR details in Logic ERP. Let's get started. Head to the Enter GR Details module. Here, you can select the required document type from the list for which you want to enter the GR details. Let's proceed by selecting Sale Bill as the document type. The system also provides an option to filter invoices with a blank GR number or a blank GR number too. Let's select the blank GR number filter to view invoices where GR details have not yet been entered. Let's go to the Sale Bill module and verify the invoices in which no GR details have been entered. We will open the last two sales bills numbered 444 and 445. As you can see, the GR details have not yet been entered against this bill. As you can see, both invoices currently have no GR details recorded. Now, let's return to the Enter GR Details window and proceed with entering the required information. The system filters bills with blank GR details. Select both bills and proceed. A window will open allowing you to enter the GR details for bill number 444. By clicking the Next button, you can go to the next bill number 445 for entering GR details. Let us first proceed with entering the required GR details for bill number 444. After entering the required details for the current bill, let us move to the next bill and proceed with entering its GR details. After entering all the required details, simply click the Next button to save the record. The GR details have been recorded for both bills. Let's proceed to verify the updated information in the respective sale bills. As you can see, the GR details have been successfully updated for bill number 444. Let's verify the bill number 445 as well. The GR details for this bill have also been successfully reflected.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.